Grayson on the pony. No, that's a horse. Nice, Grayson. Go on, go again.
Nobody else is there. Oh, no. Let me take a picture.
Tasha got a baby chick.
Baby Tasha.
Cute.
Look over here.
Liam's got a pony.
Liam, you want to go again? Okay.
Go again.
Keep going, Seth.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh. At least it comes back. Yeah, at least we can. Oh, he's not it. Here, do you want me to take the rest?
Right on, cowboy. There goes the bunny. Don't scream. Be nice and calm with the bunny, okay? There.
They got big ears.
Yeah. What a sweet bunny. What a sweet little bunny.
You could have him back.
You can have him back.
You had enough? Okay.
And when you guys are done, I'll let you guys back out, okay?
Here's me.
You like the goats?
Goats are like cats.
You guys can also hold the chicks if you guys haven't done like that.
Goaty. The black chick is a bird. Hey, this time I want to hold the black chicken. The black chick? Okay. That's the bunny? Mm-hmm. No. The bunny's just like, no. The bunny's like flying. Are you super bunny? Super bunny.
Very good, Tasha.
They only nibble. Hey, can this guy fly?
No.
Not yet.
Hey, Greg.
The chickens don't really fly.
Oh, how sweet. Very sweet.